Okay, so in this video, how to get YouTube video metadata information in YouTube without using API. So we're not gonna use API for this one. I already done this on API thing. You're gonna get all the metadata. So what's metadata? So I'm gonna give you the best example of metadata. It's kind of the description, video title, length, description, rating, view, and author, like that. If you build this on API or something, like if you use API, like there's a limitation that you're gonna use, but in this approach we're not gonna use the API on this one. So this is a web scraping technique, and I find by YouTube to download video on using Python. So I kind of read all the code of the PyTube, that something like that, and this is how you're gonna get the metadata in Python. And you know what, I'm gonna run this thing so you can get the idea. So I'm gonna run this thing, and you're gonna get, so you need to enter the URL. So I'm gonna get one of my video in order to test this, like that, and paste it on here. Okay, no API needed on this one. So you get this, the title of the follow me on Instagram. This is the title, the length 75 seconds, the description is in here, and the rating, and the okay. So this is the view count. You get the view count for this one without using API, and the author. This is kind of a powerful program if you ask me. And yeah, so this is how you're gonna get it. I'm gonna leave the, where's my GitHub? So this is my second GitHub anyway, and like that. So I'm gonna leave you for this one. Okay, only 15 line of codes anyway, so maybe I'm gonna make a explanation. So but you get the idea. You just download this and put the URL, and you're gonna get the information anyway. You know what, I'm gonna give you a small, how we gonna say it, small explanation. And yeah, so I'm gonna get this one. You know what, I'm gonna comment this. And yeah, so we're gonna use PyTube. So you need to install it, install PyTube, something like that, in order to use this. And yeah, so that's the only thing you're gonna use. You don't need API or something like that. You can get all the metadata of your one video. And yeah, download this and you can play this around, and it's so easy to use. If you want to get a, you don't need API for, like, if you're thinking to build something, I think this is very useful. Okay, see you on the next video.